Do you have these on your washer? You might want to replace them. Since this is a stackable unit with limited access, I'll need to disconnect the dryer vent, discharge hose, and power lines to get to the water supply lines. I'm going to use my channel lock pliers here to disconnect the supply lines at the unit. You'll want to turn the threaded end counterclockwise, lefty-loosey, to undo it. Repeat the process for the other line now. You'll want to turn the ends clockwise or righty-tighty to tighten them up. Be sure to tighten them up enough where they won't leak. The link is in the description for these stainless steel braided supply lines. You'll want to connect the supply lines back to your faucet spigots, wherever they may be. I'm going to turn the supply lines back on to make sure we're not leaking any. Don't seem to be having any leaks. So I replaced the supply lines to my washer with these steel braided ones. They're a lot better than the old rubber ones. They'll hold up longer. I should always replace them every so often, especially the rubber ones, because the pressure from the water will eventually cause them to burst, and the last thing you want is a burst line in your house. These are the ones I used. The link is in the description for these stainless steel braided supply lines. Here are the old supply lines for the washer, both hot and cold. You can see they're swollen a little by the fitting, as well as the hot water is a little larger than the cold one. They were holding up, but I didn't want to take any more chances as far as how long they'd been there. They'd been there for at least 3 years, if not more. I don't exactly know, but it was time to replace them before I end up with a wet basement from one of these lines bursting. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.